like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. We provide these walk-around videos for our clients for transparency, to show them the conditions of the vehicles. Most repairable vehicle dealerships do not take the time to do this. We do. We feel it's important for the industry and to help our clients making decisions, purchase vehicles so they know exactly what they're getting into. Right now this is a 2020 GENESIS G80. This is the new body style. It's 2022. Has a rear end collision damage. It's got some minor damage to the front bumper as well. We'll go over those in a minute. So a quick walk around. Zoom out. Alright, so you have a little damage to the front bumper here in the grille. The hood that looks repairable, and a little damage to the right fender. We'll walk around the other way. Got some scratches here. The G80 is the biggest one they make. This is their luxury model for Genesis. Insurance company paid out almost 60 grand or 65,000 on this. This cord is buckled here. The exhaust is damaged. Need a rear trunk. Need a rear body panel. You need the trunk floor, both mufflers. Amazing how that back window survived. You also need the right rear quarter panel. So you need a short clip on this vehicle, short rear clip. The unit does run and drive. Excuse the video. Nice and clean. Windshield is good. A massive panoramic roof here. Take a walk inside. Take a look inside. Go over the damage again. Right rear quarter, rear trunk, rear body panel, trunk floor, both exhausts, left quarter. Both curtain airbags are good. You got rear power shade. It's pretty nice in this vehicle, nice and luxurious. The rear shades here. There's a little pressure on this door. Collision damage here. And in the front here, pretty nice. So you're gonna need the steering wheel airbag and the knee airbag. Really nice vehicle, nice builder. 22 model. Be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.